Welcome. In this quick lesson, we'll convert a given string to a lowercase using C#. This is a tiny but essential operation in text processing, useful for case-insensitive comparisons, normalizing user input, or preparing text for index for searching. I'll show you a simple example, explain how it works, and point out small improvements you can apply in real projects. Let's get started. Converting text to lowercase is one of the most common pre-processing steps. You might do it before comparing user inputs, before tokenization text for search, or simply to display UI consistently. In C#, the string type provides a convenient methods for this, like ToLower and ToLowerInvariant, and we'll use them shortly. Here's the simplest form. We define a string line and call line ToLower, which returns a new string where every character has been converted to its lowercase equivalent, according to the current culture. We then print that to the console. Note that strings are immutable in C#, so ToLower returns a new string rather than modifying the original. Under the hood, ToLower maps characters to their lowercase equivalents according to the current culture settings. If you need culture-independent behavior, for example, when normalizing data for storage or comparing across cultures, prefer ToLowerInvariant. Also remember, ToLower does not change the original string, simply returns a new one. Here are a few test cases. For basic ASCII text, the conversion is straightforward. For some Unicode characters like Turkish dotted versus dotless I, results depend on the culture. That is why ToLowerInvariant can be safer for programmatic normalization across locales. Always test with realistic inputs your app may receive. Lowercasing is everywhere. Search engines and login systems both rely on normalization to avoid mismatches. In NLP pipelines, it is a common step before tokenization and stop word removal. Remember to consider whether you want culture-specific lowercasing or an invariant form depending on your use case. To wrap up, converting text to lowercase in C# is trivial but important. Use ToLowercase when you want culture-aware results for display. Use ToLowerInvariant when you need consistent, culture-independent normalization for comparisons, storage, or indexing. Also, add defensive checks like string is null or empty if reading user input. Thanks for following along. Try converting user input from console read line and compare results for case-insensitive checks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.